Namaskar and hi all. Welcome to the 21st episode of Businessline Dazzling Trending Commodity Picks. At one point in time this year, the sky was seen as the limit for gold, but not anymore. However, escalating Russia-Ukraine tensions pushed up the price last week. Overall, gold has gained over 30% in 2024. Gold zoomed to a record high of $2,790 a troy ounce on October 31, ahead of the US presidential elections amid heightened geopolitical tensions. With the victory of Donald Trump, gold retreated as US election uncertainty dissipated, reducing gold's appeal as a safe bet. The strength in the US dollar saw investors switching to the greenback. Currently, prices are down over 5% from the peak in the global market. In India, prices are down 3.5% since they hit a record high. There are a couple of reasons why gold has begun to lose its glitter. According to BMI, a unit of Fitch Solutions, the election of Trump has brought an end to gold's rally. Jewellery MD Colin Sharp says gold prices are falling due to rising inflation in the US. This has dimmed the hopes of further interest rate cuts by the US Fed. Gold prices tend to rise in a low interest rate regime, but a rising dollar is keeping prices lower. A rise in the dollar makes buying gold more expensive. Thus, demand for the precious metal is affected. Other factors that could result in gold turning bearish are an end to the Ukraine war despite escalating tensions now and an easing of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. As the US President, Trump is expected to try and find a solution to the Ukraine war. He has already made a proposal and things could gather pace once he is sworn in January. Similarly, he will likely make efforts to end the geopolitical tensions in the Middle East. On the other hand, Trump's return could lead to a sharp increase in global trade tensions. He is likely to focus on economies running sizable trade surpluses with the US, including China, Mexico, the EU, Vietnam, and Japan. BMI predicts the Fed will cut interest rates by a cumulative 125 basis points to 3.5 by the end of 2025. Jewellery Sharp says gold prices are expected to trade at current levels in the short to medium term. With India being amidst the wedding season, demand for gold could increase. For any market, the key is the behavior of the speculators. As of November 22, the bets on rise in gold prices decreased. It was the fourth consecutive week that saw a drop in the bets on prices rising. It was also the lowest since August 6. This means prices will likely head lower unless something drastic happens globally. Goldman Sachs, however, has a glittering forecast. It expects gold to touch $3,000 per troy ounce by the end of 2025. That's a long way off. The next couple of weeks will decide how gold will behave in the short term as the world watches the latest escalation in Ukraine and the trade expects the US to cut rates in December. For now, be happy and keep smiling that gold prices have dropped a bit and look to be stabilizing around these levels. Until we meet in our next episode, this is Subramani signing off. Good luck and bye all.